What up, though, everybody? If you haven't noticed, I got on a new shirt. So this is a new design I've done. Haven't released this one yet, but I'm just checking it out, see what the word on the street is, to see if anybody likes it. So I got this patch on here on the sleeve, put the 313 on the other sleeve, and I call this Detroit Grunge. So I got these pictures from a long time ago downtown. If you get a good look at it, you can see what they are. And if you know where you are, then you know what you know. If you know, you know. So, what we got going on today is we got some blanks from Seventh Earth Studios. We're going to open up, check them out, see what the quality is. We got some black sweatshirt. We got a black sweatshirt, black t-shirt, black jogging pants, sweatpants. Excuse me. So, I'll unbox this and check it out, see what's going on. Stay tuned.